safe ka. Don't skip yun kasi nalalaman ng things. I love you, Ate Jo. Happy birthday.
For you to always feel the happiness that you deserve. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, ate. Sana masaya ka today. Sana masaya ka din everyday.
Happy birthday, Val or Joya. Thank you for inviting me here. I hope you appreciated my effort to come here. I hope I hope na sana matupad lahat ng mga dreams mo, and I just want you to be happy because you deserve that. You deserve to be happy. Sana matupad mo lang sa mga dreams mo. Ano po? Yan lang. Happy birthday. Remember that you have me beside you always. Set mo tayo tayo. Love you. Ang gagawin mo. Ayaw mo.
Happy birthday, Joy. I'm really lucky to have had you for so many years. When you were just a little, Kuya Lee, Ate Bam, and Ate Lee are the trios. Maurice and Casey, the arch enemies, and then me, I had you. The 2002 babies, my partner, my play buddy. I'm grateful you're still a good friend and cousin. I hope to have you in my life for many years. I love you. Happy birthday.
Ayun, happy birthday, Joya. About sa school mo or sa future at pangarap mo, alam ko naman na maaabot mo lahat ng yun. About naman sa love, about sa love, huwag kang makikinig sa sinasabi ng iba. Trust your instinct. Maging FBI agent ka. Yun lang, no one can judge you but you yourself lang. Yun, be happy lang always, tsaka thank you sa lahat.
Isa lang yung... Isa lang yung wish ko. Isa lang yung wish ko kay Ate Joy. And I hope it really comes true. And that is, I hope you will be selfish sometimes. Sana lagi, may time. Sana umabot yung time. Lord, please. Universe, please. Naunahin mo yung sarili mo kasi sa ibang tao. Kasi you think about other people too much that you don't care about yourself na. And I know, and you know that I know na ganun ka na talaga. Pero I'll always, until you learn how to make yourself first, I'll be here na pagtanggol ka. Kahit lagi mo akong inaaway. And lagi akong judge ng mga tao. Hashtag, mami lang. Yun na, sana I know. Tasty. Ate Joy, I hope i-open mo na yung gate for yourself.
yourself to be happy?
Happy birthday!
Nasabi nga nila lang. Wala na akong masabi. Pero ang masabi ko lang, you deserve to love and be loved by. Ay, sorry. Dahil, just trust yun nga. Sabi ni Ate Pia, trust your instincts. Kung hindi pa tayo, wag na. Ay, wag muna. May natunggatong. Pero ano, yun lang. Sabihin ko daw, happy birthday. Birthday, Joy, love you.
Alright, and this time, let's all proceed for our last beautiful Royal 49. Please give her a round of applause for the memory of our lovely teenager, Mary Jenny! One more. And this time, Mami Janet, you can now give your wishes and the best advice for our birthday.
Joy?
Ako yung masaya. Wala. Hindi. Nakikita ko yung masaya. Ganda talaga yung serious. Serious. Lagi ako. Basta, bago ang lahat, si Lord Roy. Okay? Magpatuloy mo ang pagkakapit ka sa kanya. Alam mo yun, kahit anong oras dadating sa atin. Basta kumakapit tayo sa kanya. Kahit okay? Tsaka, bukas-bukasan mo yung pag-aaral. So, kasi wala naman tayo wala na siya. Hindi niya alam kung ano yung paano. Hinahabol na siya ng kanin sa mga panaginip. Hindi siya kumakain, no? Tapos ang kamay, nakakaalam na hindi siya kumakain. Kasi, diba? Kaya, doon ako nag-aaral sa'yo. Lahat, oras, dyan. Ang pinakataas ng kilay. Baka natumba ka na lang walang bigas. Kaya kulang ka sa kumain. Kaya tingnan mo naman. Pero saka si Daddy
Thank you so much once again. A round of applause for Mami Janet.